Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best thermal imaging camera in this video? I will show you the top 3 best thermal imaging camera to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected honeNight UTI 260M. Specifications: brand name, Dyson Smart. Origin, mainland China. Is smart device? Yes. Display size, 1.9 inches and under. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Style, embedded. The item number 2 is MileCTN V10. Specifications: brand name, Meanless A. Infrared resolution, 256 by 192. Pixel size, 12 Detection range, 550 meters. Hotspot tracking, yes. Battery, 4500 mAh. Image save, yes. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Infrared T2 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Infrared. Is smart device? Yes. Power type, none. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Style, embedded. Infrared resolution, 256 by 192. Frequency frame, 25 Hz.